Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. Today we got a little something different going on. My brother-in-law brought up his Jeep Commando, or brought it now from Tennessee, all the way down here so we could put a windshield in it. And I told him that somebody in Tennessee could have cracked it just as well as we could. So this is a 73. And Daryl, why don't you tell us a little bit about this thing?
This thing was found in a garage. It's been sitting in the garage 20 years. It's had new tires put on it. I put a fuel pump and a couple other small things on it. Until yesterday, it had sat for several months in the driveway, but it started right up. It's got a straight six in it, 258.
Yep, that's a good motor.
4.0, I guess it is.
Yeah.
For all the young guys. And I think other than somebody painting it with a rattle can or something, I think it's pretty much all original.
Well, it used to be a dark, almost like a B5 blue. If you look.
Yeah, it was. It was a little darker blue, and
yep.
This is more of a Carolina blue.
They just call it Robin's egg. Robin's egg blue.
Then this is last year. AMC made this, and the second year they had after they bought out Willys.
Oh, okay.
And it's a fun vehicle to ride around in. I'm inclined to leave it here and let Boris put in some air conditioning.
I'm sure they sell a kit for it.
They will sell a kit. I got the glass from a guy at jeepsterman.com, and it's not exactly the same size glass. You know, I took the other one out, but they compensated by making the gasket a different size.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
No, and it wasn't good. That's why I'm here. So, you know, he swears this works, and he swears that it will fit, and they've done it. So we're just going to go with that. If we break this, I'll find another source.
Okay.
We're going to break out the windshield?
Yeah, let's open it up. Why'd you go through the mountains?
Where the rock takes us. We can go a whole lot further. We go around the Spartanburg.
That's a baby wrap good. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's been fondled. It's got fingerprints all over it. All right.
It's just black glass.
Yep.
A friend and I tried on 4 different occasions to get this in there.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I think there's places in this channel kind of eaten out. One big one up here. If I can find it.
Here's the original color right here.
And I think right here. I think my little string gets caught in there.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't get it in myself.
Well, we're gonna have to move that antenna.
I've got the nuts and everything for it over there. And of course, everybody with a Jeep needs a duck.
Yeah.
Retired naval officer asked me thought I needed a promotion, so now I've got a admiral's outfit on. There you go.
So we got 2 members of the service here. We have Navy
Air Force
and Air Force.
and taxpayer.
And taxpayer.
More rigorous requirements than anybody.
But Daryl used to be on a submarine.
Yeah. There you go. That'll fix it. Well,
We'll put a bungee cord on it.
some tape will fix it.
Yeah. So anyway, not that this is going to be one of my favorite jobs, but hopefully it'll go all right.